I'm now going to carry out a manual test of the sprinkler system, and at the moment we're on zone 3, and I can tell from hearing it that we have a little problem. Aha! Let's go and have a quick look so you can see the problem. We have a broken head, so instead of a spray head we have an ornamental fountain firing up into the air. That's the only one that's broken along here. Okay, well, we'll go and test the rest of them. This is zone 4. All seems okay. Good operation of the heads. Giving us nice coverage. And we don't have any broken heads in zone 4. This is zone 8. It's in operation. All the sprinklers are arranged along the back wall of the backyard, and they're all operational. Zone 1 is up and running. All looks good. No decorative fountains. Zone 2, all up and running. No broken heads. This is the water heater. Just checked for gas leaks. There are no gas leaks at the water heater. This has a recirculating system on it, so that should deliver hot water to your faucets very quickly. At the top here you can see the flow. What I don't like is this cover. It's not been made for it, it's just a temporary mock-up. But it's going to restrict airflow into the water heater itself. That is not a good thing, so I would recommend that's removed and a proper insulating cover is fitted. Other than that, everything's fine with the water heater. But one tip I'll give you, before we go, if we pull this down, it exposes what is the temperature pressure relief valve. This basically keeps you safe. This valve gets dirty, and the only way to clean it is to flip it. And all you have to do is flip it like that. Here, I'll do it this way. Flip it like that once a year, and that'll keep it clean and extend the life of it. Okay, we're actually in the master bathroom, and the faucet handle just turns around continuously. You can see that in the report. Obviously, that was to be fixed. In fact, we can't get any water out of it, so there's no water coming out of the hot on the bathtub. Okay, we are in the front room, and if we look here at the window, we have a break in the window. It's the front window in the dining room. At the front door, the weather ceiling has been torn up and is in need of repair. All the way around the door's okay. It's just that section at the bottom there. Fog the window here. This light doesn't work. Turn it on, off, no action. It should have a remote, and I can't find a remote for it. My level meter was zeroed here on the landing, and I took a couple of measurements, and this is a testament to how sensitive we are to changes in levels of flooring. If I look at this level now, you can see that it's showing 0.9, and it was zeroed down the bottom, so it's risen by about an inch. If I move to the back of the room and we look at it, again it's risen to approximately 1 inch. Now this instrument is only accurate plus or minus a quarter of an inch, so it could be 3/4 of an inch or it could be 1 1/4 inches. Whatever way, it's not uncommon to have rooms that are out square such as this. We're up in the attic and we're having a look at the actual decking. There's been looks like a private modification here. Some decking boards have been put down for walking on. They're not very securely positioned. They're okay, but they're certainly a potential trip hazard. Just looking around at the structure itself, all looks fine. And what I can see, I've had a quick observation. Obviously this video is not going to show you a lot because of the lighting conditions. You know, I can't get a TV crew up here with all the lights. But everything's fine. I've checked for the gas lines for gas leaks on both the furnaces. There are no leaks, which is good news. And then looking down and around the attic, everything is solidly in place and in reasonable condition, what I can observe from the actual working floorboards of the attic itself. Move down here. One point you'll see in the report, I'll tell you about the electric cables going through a metal cabinet here. And you see these. This is going to rub, and in time it will cut and short circuit the control circuit, and that's going to cost you about $500 to fix. So all you have to do is get a little boss put in there, plastic, to protect the cable, and it will be fine. So everything's fine. We have some debris in the drip tray that needs removing, and there's debris in the drip tray over here. Again, that should be removed. Any sort of debris like that can cause problems in the future.